Good morning. You don't want to know what I had for breakfast, guys. Okay, you want to know? Popcorn. Over 250 flavors over there. I love popcorn. Before we get on the road though, I don't know if that Chicagoland place is like famous or well known or something, but this bag was $30. Probably the most expensive bag of popcorn I've ever bought in my life or will ever buy in my life. $30 for that, but it's bacon and cheddar and they make this fresh right there. Literally, if you have never tried bacon and cheddar popcorn from Chicagoland, it's amazing, literally amazing. Oh my gosh, you can see how the bag is discolored right there. I mean, it is packed with flavor. I'm going to savor that bag of popcorn. Check out this old road. It's like cobblestone brick. And no more metal signs for Lincoln Highway. Now we've got green light up signs. Wow. And welcome to Valparaiso. Valparaiso? Downtown Valparaiso. There we go. I asked a local how you pronounce it. He's like, no, it's just Valpo, dude. So it's just Valpo. That's okay. Oh, cool. Here at the Central Park Plaza, they got a little gathering going today, like a little outdoor street fair type thing. Nice park, nice day. What do we got here? You don't got to pay a lot, you just got to pay attention. There's a plaque right over there that says this is Orville Redenbacher, the founder of Orville Redenbacher popcorn, right here in Valpo, back in the 60s until somebody else bought it. But they have a popcorn festival here in September. I cannot believe I'm going to miss a popcorn festival here in the park. That would be awesome, but not going to be around here. I love popcorn though. Now I'm starting to get hungry though. Now that's a cooker there. Look at that thing. Scooter's Barbecue. It's a pretty area. And then they got a shaded pavilion here with crafts and stuff people are selling. And live music. I kind of just don't feel like fair food right now, so I'm gonna go look for a restaurant or something, some better food. Also here in the town of Valpro, they do have a little monument talking about it. They have the Lincoln marker. And what is this? Another new trail. So we got the Oregon Trail, the Pony Express, and now possibly the old Sag Trail. Trod first by the Indians, later by the explorers in the early days of the pathway of important military expeditions. That sounds interesting too. Might have to look that one up. You know what this is? You ever see these? These are those library exchange things where you can grab a free book or put a book in there. I do see these all over the place. They got charter numbers so you can track where they're at in each city. It's kind of cool. Overcast day, but trying to decide what I want to have for lunch. Maybe a hamburger or some steak. I mean, grass. Yeah, grass, because, okay. I found something a little different here. The Industrial Revolution Eatery and Grill, saluting America's greatness. A little different, right? As we look up at the top of the corner of this is called Lunchtime by the artist, which it says is one of the most iconic photographs in our nation's history. Lunchtime on top of a skyscraper. The iron artwork outside. And just the entire construction of the building is really cool. Should we go check this out? I think we should. So they salute somebody different each week. This week it's Thomas Godfrey, the inventor of the sextant, or the GPS, basically. So he's in charge of navigation, 1704 to 1749. Thanks, buddy. And yes, the train moves up there. That's awesome. Pretty cool atmosphere. Look at that. They even put a little American flag in my burger. Garlic potato wedges. Ooh. Oh yeah. Perfect. Thank you.
Do you need anything?
Nope. Thank you. delicious. And I know presentation is not everything, but it has a lot to do with how much you enjoy the food. And by the way, that was a fantastic burger. I don't know what they seasoned their beef with, but that was delicious. No salad today. Highly recommend the American Revolution Bar and Grill. That's awesome. Well, the only thing I kind of miss is the blue skies. It's been a while. It's been staying warm, but it just cloudy, or it looks cloudy. It's really hazy. We got a full service station right here that's closed down here on the Lincoln Highway. But I pulled in here. The Mayflower liquor store is still open, so alcohol survives Lincoln Highway closures. Check out this old Ford Galaxy Sheriff car. Sheriff of Mayberry. We're in Plymouth, Indiana here. Ooh, that's a nice looking car. And a phone booth. What are you doing in there? Oh, I like that old phone. Look at that. That's a really old phone. The Automatic Electric Company. Okay, it's too early for Bud Light transporter. But yeah, nice little gas station, semi-restored, I guess. Mobile gas, full service station. The pumps are in really good condition. Yeah, I guess I should at least test it first. No, it's definitely locked. Old air machine there for your tires. Windshield service. So it doesn't do anything, but it's still here, and it's not tagged with graffiti, so a good stop. How's your lunch? I was getting ready to go, and then I remember Jackson's still back there eating. He hates it when I take off before he's finished his lunch. Because he has to come up here, lay down, and wait till I stop the next time, and then... No, I gave you time to finish. Did you drink your water? You're shedding on me again. What's this? We just... Right into my coffee cup. So Indiana has notified me that we are currently on the 1928 route of Lincoln Highway, or alignment here. It literally just goes right through the... I mean, we're just completely residential through here. Just... Yep. I'm not very impressed by the roads so far. In fact, Jax has now climbed underneath the driver's seat. This road isn't bad, but since I left the grill place, some of these roads have like huge craters, like huge open craters that just feel like death when you hit them in an RV. And welcome to Mentone, Indiana. They're having a little festival here, the Egg Something Festival. They really like eggs here. In fact, they're even known as the Egg Basket of the Midwest, as apparent by the world's largest egg. So guess what, guys? Now I'm here in Fort Wayne, Indiana, and this Lincoln Highway that I'm on right now is actually the 1915 alignment. So very, very early. If it began in 1913, this is a very early route, and there's a little roadside quirky bowling pin there. You know, and for some reason, it's been a while since I've been bowling. I hate doing some of these activities alone, but then again, who cares? It's my only chance. I just want to relax. So I'm going to bring out my inner Lebowski and have some fun.
See them tumbling down, pledging their love to the ground. Over the line! La 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 la. Dilly dilly, dilly dilly.
Is this your homework, Larry?
I woke up this morning with the sun down, shining in. I found my mind in a brown paper bag, but then
Por el camino del desierto, el viento me despeina.
so she liked to sing along to her favorite song from the year that she was born.
That was actually a ton of fun there bowling. They actually do not charge by the game. They charge $12 per person for 2 hours of bowling. And that it also includes the shoe rental, which is actually a great deal. I ended up getting 13 games in less than 2 hours. So definitely got my bowl on for sure. That was a lot of fun. My average is about 135, 140. Anything over 150, I'm happy with. That's a good game there. But that's a fun little place. I wish I could bowl more often. Maybe I should bowl with more of my subscriber viewers while I'm on the road. And the sun's peeking through the clouds now. Gonna have a nice little afternoon. Oh yeah, Jax is back up. Handling the bumps okay so far. Here's a bad one. I'm sorry, buddy. You're doing good. Okay. Okay. Hey, cool. I found the Hanson Quarry, rock quarry here. Yeah, I got the generator and air conditioner on for Jax, but I wanted to come outside and explore this too. Well, it's open to the public, and it says that there's a 1,000-foot ravine of rock that they brought out over here. Kind of like a rock version of a canyon or something. Whoa, this place is massive. It's like a canyon, pretty much. See if I can go between the chain link here. It's been open since 1942. Yeah. They pulled a lot of rock out of here, guys. That belt is what brings the rock all the way up to the top. Neat little views up here on the observation deck, and it's free to come here, so that's pretty cool. There's birds everywhere. I gotta let Jax out to play. Jax, man, you wanna go rock climbing? Think you can make it? Hop up. Good jump. That was a really good jump. How you doing, buddy? What do you think of this place? You don't think? Okay. No, there was no cats allowed in the bowling alley. That's what they said. I said, but he'll be in his stroller and he'll be good. He'll help knock down all those pins that I don't get. Come here. Jax, come here. Hop up. Jax, come here. Wow, you're way up there now. How you doing, buddy? Is that a pretty good spot then? All right, buddy. Wow. Wow. It's green, everybody. Today, Indiana and I are really getting along well. I needed this. I've been doing so much blacktop boondocking lately. So this is the Molinauer Tip Canoe River. Tip canoe. Yeah, I hope the canoe doesn't tip. DNR. Now we are by the road, but I think the sacrifice is worth it because I get to be by this pond. I kind of want to go fishing. Look at all the green algae through here. You can hear the cars going by behind me there. It is so green. I feel like it's like a scene from Star Wars, Return of the Jedi. I don't quite know about the legality of it, but I know it doesn't say no overnight parking. And here's another strange one. Look at this tree. What in the heck made all of those strange marks on this tree? I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. And I'm not trying to get all sentimental and gooey here, but man, I feel so much better. Like I was starting to worry that after Nebraska, I wasn't going to see anything like this that was just going to make me feel so much more calm and relaxed and happy with nature. So this is a really good sign. Really good sign. All right, guys. Have a good night. Jackson, I'll see you back on the Lincoln Highway in a couple days. Bye-bye.